Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving headfirst into the surprisingly twisty tale of TikTok and the Supreme Court. Get ready for some legal drama with a dash of Trumpian unpredictability.
Oh boy, here we go. So, the Supreme Court upheld the TikTok ban, right? That seems final. Unless...
Exactly. It's a unanimous decision, which is pretty significant. They basically sided with the Biden administration and the Protecting Americans from Foreign Adversary-Controlled Applications Act. But, there's a but. A big, orange, potentially game-changing but.
Is this where President-elect Trump makes his grand entrance? Because I'm sensing a plot twist here.
You got it. The deadline for ByteDance to sell TikTok is January 19th, and they haven't. So technically, the ban kicks in. But Trump, who initially wanted a ban, now seems softer on the issue. He's hinted at a possible lifeline.
A lifeline? After the Supreme Court's decision? That's some serious political jujitsu. What's his motivation? Did he suddenly become a TikTok aficionado?
Well, there are whispers of a meeting with a major ByteDance investor, Jeff Yass, back in February. Yass also has a stake in Truth Social, Trump's own platform. It's all very intertwined. And let's not forget the potential for a hefty payout if a sale goes through. We're talking $40 to $50 billion.
$50 billion? Wow. That's a lot of, well, everything. So what happens now? Does Trump have the power to just overturn the Supreme Court?
He can't overturn the court's decision, no. But he can choose not to enforce the law. It's a bit of a gray area. The article mentions that Apple and Google would face penalties for continuing to support TikTok after the deadline. But if Trump decides to let it slide...
It's a high-stakes game of chicken then. Apple and Google versus Trump. And the fate of TikTok hangs in the balance. I'm on the edge of my seat.
Absolutely. And it's not just about the big tech companies. Think about the 170 million American users who could lose access to the app. The article mentions creators scrambling to move to other platforms like YouTube and Instagram. It's a massive disruption.
It's a fascinating case study in the intersection of technology, politics, and national security. And the sheer amount of money involved is mind-boggling. I mean, $50 billion.
Right? It's a wild ride, and we'll be watching closely to see what Trump decides. In the meantime, if you're a TikTok user, maybe start exploring some alternatives, just in case. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Bytes and News.
And remember to subscribe and leave a review. Bye, everyone.